of the Anambra State economy and promotion of core Igbo values. Let's continue to give him maximum support for the task ahead. We begin from here in Awka, where the Anambra State Library Board has celebrated the 2023 Asusu Igbo Ga-Adigide ceremony with the theme Aku Atuta Nike na Nanike. The event, which was held at the Professor Kenneth Dike Central E-Library Awka, attracted pupils and students of different schools, traditional rulers, government officials, and stakeholders who championed the promotion and sustenance of Igbo language and culture. Our correspondent, Chibuzo Koe, was there and now reports.
The event was an avenue for pupils and students to showcase their mastery and ingenuity in Igbo language spelling and writing as schools competed and awards were given to the best schools and students. Speaking during the event, the Anambra State Commissioner for Information, Sapon Onwosi, said that Governor Chukwuma Soludo is passionate about the promotion and sustenance of Igbo language and culture, adding that such an important event is critical to the survival of Igbo language and culture.
So na asusu achọpụta na ọbụ na agbadoro anya n'oge na-etere aka ma afụzia ofuru mgbado ụkwụ na nke a melu o ji wee dị m ka ife anyị na-eme tata adị mkpa.
In her welcome address, the acting director, Anambra State Library Board, Mrs. Obioma Obalomu, who wrote and read her address in Igbo language, explained that the ceremony is what they use to promote and sustain the Igbo language and culture yearly. Mrs. Obalomu commended the traditional ruler of Umweru, Igwe Bennett Emeka, who donated the 3 cups that were given to the 1st to 3rd schools that did well during the event, and called on the participants to ensure that they work towards the promotion and sustenance of Igbo language and culture anywhere they are.
Ejimnaka na dịka anyị nọchara n'ebe a taa na anyị niile ga-ebu ozi ọma nke ịkwalite asụsụ na omenala Igbo wee laghachi ebe dị iche iche anyị si bịa ma malite itinye ya n'ọlụ iji hụ na asụsụ mụ na gị agaghị efu.
Delivering a lecture on the theme Aku Atuta Nike na Nanike, Professor Nkechinyere Nwokoye of the Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, described Ndi Igbo as very enterprising and industrious people who make money through legitimate hard work, but regretted the get-rich-quick syndrome among the youth of nowadays. While an award recipient at the event, Chief Onyachonamu Form argued that the erosion of Igbo language and culture was as a result of government's handing over of schools to the church that most times do away with people's cultures and traditions.
Public school, why not a public school? Why not now? It's so you. Why not?
Other awardees at the event were the traditional ruler of Nibo, Igwe Michael Ngene, the immediate past director of the Anambra State Library Board, Dr. Nkechi Udeze, the vice president, Ohaneze Ndi Igbo Worldwide, Chief Damian Okeko Ogene, the traditional rulers of Umweru, Igwe Bennett Emeka, and that of Umuawulu, Igwe Joel Egwonwu, among numerous others. While the State Commissioner for Culture, Entertainment and Tourism, Comrade Don Oninji, was present during the event. In Awka, this is Chibuzo Koye for ABS News.